today we're on the road and we're going to be finally leaving South Australia.
Everybody that passes us is waving at me. I've not waved at a single person yet.
Good morning from Little Tokar. We are just about an hour into New South Wales. This is where we stayed the night last night, and we're about to hit the road again this morning.
So the reason that we are driving pretty non-stop is because there's a big weather system coming with a lot of rain, and we don't want to get stuck in an area where we can't really get farther.
This is such a cute little campsite. It's a free camp just past Cobar, and they provide free firewood so you can have a fire. Good, we gotta get up.
Can we just sleep it out?
No, the farm is flooding.
We'll just sleep it out. It's okay. We'll wake up in like 3 days and it'll be clear. I need a rain jacket. It's a little wet out here, bud.
Yeah. This was the chair that I thought wasn't gonna get wet because there was more underneath the cover. But it's soaked.
All right, let's get out of here.
We've been feeling a little homesick lately, but I think we're just missing the mountains, so we're gonna go on a little adventure.
Where are we going?
Well, we're here, and then we're gonna go do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do.
It's steep. Sorry, I'm huffing and puffing. That's probably all you can hear.
Not sheep. That was the wrong way. We're actually supposed to go this way.
We just climbed a lot of stairs. I didn't count how many. But we went up a good probably, how many meters? Well, then we just went up like 200 meters straight in a matter of like 5 minutes in stairs.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
It's so foggy we can't really see it. You can kind of see it there through the cloud.
That's a bread knife.
Oh, nice.
This is pretty cool. It's like a compass, and it tells you everything about what's around here. North is that way, and the visitor center is also that way, which means we came from that way. It's time for lunch. We're hungry. The wind in Adelaide was way worse. So we started there. We went all the way over here, and that's where we stopped for lunch at Bread Knife. And then we've come all the way down here, and now we're here at Dow's Camp. So we got to keep going through here, back over here, and back to the car park. Let's go.
After spending 3 nights relaxing and hiking in the mountains with no service, we've decided to drive about 2 hours north to do some more relaxing.
I don't want to go back to bed.
It was your idea to wake up this early.
It doesn't feel worth it.
Let's go.
All right, that's enough relaxing. Let's head to Queensland now. Oh, this is my cue to drive away. Awkward.